Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today I will tell you about something you should read in order to have all of your desires fulfilled, to have sustenance, to be able to get both what you need and what you want. Reading this verse will provide you with both spiritual and physical sustenance. Spiritual sustenance is faith and being closer to Allah Azza wa Jal, while physical sustenance is having money, wealth, your own house, cars, kids, being healthy, and a lot more. In order to get these benefits, you must read this one ayat 11 times, and you should do so before or after Fard Salah. The ayat you should read 11 times is the 114th ayat in Surah Ma'idah, which is the 5th surah in the Quran. And it goes like this. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. قال عيسى ابن مريم اللهم ربنا أنزل علينا مائدة من السماء تكون لنا عيدا لأولنا وآخرنا وآية منك وارزقنا وأنت خير الرازقين صدق الله العظيم. And the translation of this ayah is, Hazrat Isa, the son of Maryam, said, O Allah, our Lord, send down to us a table spread with food from the heaven to be for us a festival for the first of us and the last of us, and a sign from you, and provide for us, and you are the best of the providers. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and take a look at my other videos.